All right, hope everybody had a good weekend. I want to say welcome back to Ken and Josh. You guys both had some time off recently.
Yeah.
And look at the weather today, a little mixed. I saw some sun out there today, so some smiles.
Hey, yeah, now the clouds are kind of rolling back in. Temperatures are cooling, and that's going to be a trend that we hold on to for the remainder of the night. But that goes without saying, spring is quickly approaching, and sights of it are already cropping up, specifically along the Portland waterfront area. The cherry blossoms already starting to bud out. There you go. Just a few of the images I was able to capture earlier today. So yes, spring is definitely around the corner despite the cooler temperatures we've experienced so far today. Now, as far as the timeline goes, we are anticipating peak bloom to happen right around March 23rd or so. That's expected to last a week. Now, if we get some really gusty winds, some heavier rains, that could put an end to the blooms a little bit earlier than the March 30th time frame. But overall, I do anticipate to last for about a week or two. And then once April rolls around, we'll trade out those blooms and petals for the green lush leaves. As we are now just 11 days out from the official start to the spring season on March 20th, so this cooling trend we are currently experiencing just going to be a brief little blip. But a lot of the blooms and blossoms already starting to fire up across our area because of the growing daylight time. 96 minutes is what we expect to see over the next 3 to 4 weeks here in the Rose City, as the daylight saving time change has already readjusted our sunset and sunrise times. No need to fear for those early risers. You will start to gain a little bit more of that daylight during the early morning hours over the next few weeks, as our temperatures right now still reflective of the winter season, which we are still currently in, as we hover in towards the upper 40s. Temperatures down anywhere from 5 to 10 to more than 20 degrees further off to the east, and that's going to help to bring back the chance for maybe a snowflake or two. Already getting some reports in from the Vancouver area of some graupel, some ice pellets potentially falling in parts of Clark County, as we stay relatively on the dry side for the most part. So tonight's chance for maybe some winter weather comes as maybe an ice pellet or two, or even a snowflake or two embedded within some of those scattered rain showers. But what we'd like to see is the snowflakes coming down once again up in elevation, 23 degrees out towards Mount Hood, as a winter weather advisory is in effect not only for the Cascades, but parts of the Coast Range anywhere from above 3,000 feet all the way through 5 o'clock on Wednesday. A potential to see additional new cumulative snow, as our snow elevation levels are bottoming out tonight into tomorrow morning, right around 500 to 700 feet. Again, we're really not going to have enough available moisture to flip that rain over to snow, but a snowflake or two is a possibility as we approach the midnight hour or so. If anything, maybe picking up on a few of those ice pellets that will be melting on contact, as tomorrow afternoon brings us warmer temperatures and an increased potential for just rain showers as an atmospheric river starts to take shape, helping to gust our winds back up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour, but persistent widespread rain anticipated for us by the middle of the week. So as far as the snow accumulation goes, steer and clear the I-5 corridor. Again, it's all above about 3,000 feet that we expect to see maybe a few of those snowflakes, and even around the West Hills, if anything does fall, it's going to be melting on contact. The big takeaway is going to be the cumulative rain, upwards of an inch in many locations, as mountain snow also piles up, looking at nearly 2 feet for the Mount Hood areas. We've already managed to put down a few new inches over the past 24 hours for those skiers and snowboarders, as tonight we fall back into the mid-30s. Again, a raindrop or two, maybe a snowflake embedded, but no impacts for us as we warm things back up into the upper 40s. The winds, though, they will be impactful, gusting close to 20 to 25 miles per hour as we push our way through the next several days. That atmospheric river bringing widespread soaking rain back to our area for the middle and the end of the week, but by the weekend, drying those skies out. And look, 1 week from today, we're talking about mid-60s. So if you are lucky enough to see that 1 or 2 snowflake, it'll quickly become a distant memory.